The kitchen will always be the heart of the home and the heart of everything we do. It didn't take us 60,000 kitchens to learn that it's all in the details. When you get the family together in the kitchen for conversation, that's what life's all about. When I have my kids in the kitchen, my wife's in the kitchen, I'm in the kitchen, and we're telling stories, that is priceless. That's what it's all about. And those conversations about how was your day today, how was your day at school, how was your day at work, always take place in the kitchen. Kitchen Magic strives to be a leader in the remodeling business for this sheer virtue that we're never satisfied with how things are right now. We always want to be better. We are always seeking improvement. And it's right in our core values. One of our 6 core values is always seek improvement. We're never just content to let things be the way they are. We're always asking, how can we improve this product? And that restlessness that we have at Kitchen Magic is what keeps us continually looking to get better and be the very best home improvement company we can be for our customers. We've done it for 45 years and we've done it 60,000 times, and we anticipate what we can expect and we plan for the unexpected. In the early days of a very small company, you really rely on 1 or 2 people to do everything. As you get larger, you put processes in place and people become more specialized. You have quality control on every step of the way through the process. Kitchens can be a great experience if you choose the right partner, but it can also be a horrible experience. And we tend to hear more about the horror stories, the things that go wrong, than we do about the things that go right. So my advice to anybody considering doing a kitchen is choose your partner wisely. Choose somebody who's going to be one source of responsibility. You need somebody who's going to be accountable for that entire process and to make sure that you're satisfied when that project is complete. I'll leave you with this. It starts with the customer. The type of products we choose, the type of services we offer, the process we follow, the quality and workmanship, the communication channels we employ. Everything we do is about taking care of the customer. Because we know the customer experience is not something that most people rave about when it comes to home improvement. And we try really hard to make that experience one where at the end they say that was a great experience. What other type of projects can you do for us? The kitchen is the heart of the home and the heart of everything we do.